Hello everyone, welcome. Do you need to pay your Uber rides with a credit or debit card? Or maybe you're just trying to add a new card in the Uber? I'm breaking it down super quick and easy. So first, fire up the Uber app on your iPhone or Android, tap the account icon at the bottom right corner. It's got your profile pic or a little person. Then hit the wallet icon up top. This is where all your payments magic happens. You'll see any cards or payment methods already saved, like for example PayPal or Uber Cash. If you're starting fresh, do not worry, adding a card is a breeze and it works for both rides and eats per WikiHow. So just tap on plus icon, which is the add payment method. You might need to scroll down a bit. Choose credit or debit card. Now you've got two options. Manually enter the card number, expiration date, CVV, and billing zip, or tap the camera icon to scan it. For scanning, center your card in the viewfinder until the corners flash green. Works best with embossed numbers. So I scanned my Visa in seconds, add a nickname for a card, like main Visa for example, and then hit save. Done. So to use your card, just book a ride as usual. Before requesting, tap the payment method at the bottom of the screen to select your new card. It'll show the nickname you set. Once your ride ends, the app auto charges that card. You can even switch methods by mid-range by swiping up and picking another, says Uber's help page. And that's how you add a credit or debit card and use it for Uber rides. Booked a ride yet? Drop your experience below. And guys, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.